Hey everyone, today I want to talk about YouTube's new and exciting feature Hype. If you're a smaller YouTuber like me, you know how hard it can be to get your content seen. Well, YouTube has just introduced a game changer called Hype, and it's here to help creators with less than 500,000 subscribers like us get noticed. So how does it work? Hype allows your fans to hype your videos, kind of like giving them an extra boost. If enough people hype your video, it climbs up a special leaderboard that ranks the top 100 hyped videos each week. This leaderboard is visible to users in your country, which means your video could reach a lot of new viewers. If fans can hype up to 3 videos a week, which gives them a chance to support their favorite creators. And soon, YouTube plans to let fans purchase extra hypes to help creators even more. But don't worry, this won't mess with YouTube's usual recommendations or search results. It's just an extra way to help creators grow their channels. Now, if you're like me and under 500,000 subscribers, here's why Hype is great for us. Not only does it help get more eyes on our videos, but YouTube is adding something called the Small Creator Bonus. This gives us extra points on the leaderboard to level the playing field against larger channels. So if a video gets hyped a lot, it could blow up pretty quickly. Hype has already been tested in countries like Brazil, Turkey, and Taiwan, where creators saw over 5 million hype actions in just 4 weeks. And the coolest part? It's super popular with younger audiences, so if your viewers are between 18 to 24, they're likely to be excited about using this feature. Keep an eye out for Hype and let your fans know about it so they can start boosting your content. I'll definitely be asking you all to hype my videos soon. See you in the next one, and don't forget to hit the like button if you're excited about Hype. Thanks for watching.